So in this video, you'll learn how to enable Do Not Disturb on your Huawei Band 10. So all you need to do is simply navigate to Settings. And then in Settings, you want to scroll and look for the option Do Not Disturb. From here, you can activate it in two ways. You can just simply select All Day by tapping on the toggle like that, then confirm that you wish to activate Do Not Disturb. And once you've done that, it means that you've successfully enabled the Do Not Disturb mode. So it will just be active all day, and then once the day is done, it will disable itself. Alternatively, you can always choose to use a custom schedule. So you have the default schedule created, which is from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. And so you can choose to just tap on the toggle like that, and then use this custom schedule so that your watch automatically activates and deactivates Do Not Disturb mode. You can also choose to create your own custom schedule by selecting Add Time, and then choose your start time by setting the hour and the minute, and then do the same thing for end, hour, minute, and tap on OK. From here, you can now choose if you want it to repeat, and once you've chosen your repeat days, just tap on OK, and then select OK again to confirm your choice. Once you've done that, it means that you've successfully enabled and created a custom schedule for Do Not Disturb mode. So it's completely up to you to decide how you're going to be activating Do Not Disturb mode on your Huawei Band 10. You can also choose to activate Do Not Disturb mode by using the Quick Tiles panel. So just swipe down on the watch face like this, and then you should see Do Not Disturb here. So just tap on it like this, and you'll be prompted to confirm that you wish to enable Do Not Disturb. So just confirm, and it will be turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on it like that, and it will be disabled. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and we'll get back to you.